Hi, this is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, and I've got my colleague Layla here with me today. We wanted to talk to you a little bit about some things we've been thinking about. The thing I want to talk to you about today is that there's always going to be another mountain to climb. There's always going to be another challenge that's going to put you to the test. And what you want to be thinking about is being ready to scale that mountain, being ready to overcome that obstacle, being ready to meet that test, right? Success in life comes from people getting outside of their comfort zone and doing something that they've maybe never done before, and they're not really sure they're going to be able to pull it off. They're confident enough to get started and to try. So here's to your efforts to get outside of your comfort zone into that learning zone where you start to feel the rush when you get a little bit beyond your support mechanisms and you're just winging it. Remember, there's going to be many opportunities for you to raise the level of your game, the level of your personal best, the level of your team's collective best. What are you waiting for? You've got to get going now. Layla and I know you can do it. We'll see you next time.